Tingnan mo, marunong ka pala mag...
Hi, lady. Welcome to
Hey,
my live.
hey brother, how are you?
Hello, sister. How are you?
Welcome
I'm
to
doing
my
great.
live.
It's very busy Monday, you know?
What?
I'm so busy this Monday,
What?
and that's why I miss the live because I want to talk to people.
Why? Why are you busy?
You know, in my office right this morning, it's a lot of things to do in my office. Yeah.
What?
Oh,
So, what is your job?
what's your job?
No, I don't have a job.
What's
I
your
run a
job?
business.
Oh, what kind of
Wow.
business?
What kind of business?
It's something that you know. In the Philippines, it's very famous. You know, lending money. You know that?
Land bank?
No, lending money, not land bank.
Why are you hiring?
Are you hiring?
No, I'm gonna check. I need to talk to my assistant on that, okay? If you're
Oh,
looking for someone.
So, my sister is looking for a job.
My sister's looking for husband.
What
No,
do you
I'm just
mean?
kidding. I'm just
Looking for
My
husband?
sister's
Okay.
No. Ano bang English doon? Sabi na trending pautang ka. My commentars.
makipag-usap pa ng ayos, baka dyan yung makakapag.
Wag na, hindi ko alam kung paano makapag-usap.
Sabihin mo, my sister is looking for a
Ano
job.
sabi ng comment? Ano sabi sa comment?
Tingnan mo, marunong ka pala mag... Hirap na akong mag-English dito, tapos nagtatagalog ka. Tagalog ka, sis. Tagalog ka, sis. Dignan sa hall.
Yes po.
Oh! Wow. Okay.
Marunong ako mag-Tagalog, but I'm learning the Tagalog language, the deeper words, you know, the difficult those words, yeah.
Yeah.
Magagaling mo na mag-English.
Ang galing mo naman mag-English.
Because I studied English, you know, when I was younger, you know, until high school and college, yeah.
Taga saan ka? Tinagalog na.
Me, I am from Philippines.
Oh. You're half Filipino?
Yeah, I am half.
Wow.
Ano tayo makapag-English? Gaya ng joke dito.
Angas. Angas naman.
Kaya dito pa sinili na pumunta din eh.
Thank you.
Okay
What is
ba?
angas in English?
Bakit?
Oh my God. Anong English ng angas?
Pero seryoso mo.
Like,
Anong English ng
what is
angas?
it? Well, I don't know. Yeah. You have a
I don't know.
Who's that? Hey, June, who's that someone talking to you? It's like she's your coach. What is that?
Oh, she's my sister.
Kapag-usapan yun.
Oh, let me meet your sister. Show me your
Ah, gusto
sister.
mo
Date din yung kahit isang
Wait, she's talking to my mother.
sa isang taon.
Oh, ate, gusto ko daw makita nito. Bilis, papakita ka lang eh.
Galit si Bunso.
Yeah,
Ba't ano ang bulso?
bilis na.
Ay ate, ang tawag niya.
Mag-hi ka na.
Hi, ate. Magandang gabi, ate. Ay, si ate may dimple si ate.
Pakita agad niya.
Ito mama ko to.
Why your mom looks young? Hello, mother.
Kasi, maaga siya nag-anak.